Welcome, my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. Bitcoin has recovered nicely, closing back in the green and reclaiming the range shaken by news of Michael Saylor selling 3,000 Bitcoin. This resilience is a constructive short-term signal. Despite a headline that could have triggered heavy selling, Bitcoin quickly bounced, reclaimed last week's close, moved above the weekly open, and restored several key technical levels. The drop below 62k was sharp but met aggressive buying. Instead of panic, the market absorbed the supply and reversed higher, a classic sign of strength. After consolidating, a softer than expected CPI report sparked a breakout to fresh weekly highs. Sellers then stepped in just ahead of major resistance, the weekly resistance and the 50-month EMA. This setup echoes the previous midterm cycle, where Bitcoin rallied into July, tagged similar resistance in August, swept liquidity, and eventually rolled over. While history doesn't repeat, the rhyme is worth watching. E-levels for the next week. Support, last week's low, a successful higher low here would offer a strong risk to reward for longs. Resistance, 65k zone, monthly 50 EMA and the weekly resistance, critical area for bears to defend. The dollar continues defending support in a tight monthly range, with compression hinting at an impending breakout. Momentum favors bulls, though progress has been slow. Macro factors still support USD strength. Potential BOJ intervention may only create another dip buying. Dollar strength remains a headwind for Bitcoin. However, if Bitcoin can keep making higher lows and push upwards despite the strong dollar, it would signal genuine demand returning, a very bullish development. Finally, seasonality is worth noting. July has historically been a positive month on average, while August tends to be negative, and that's why I posted on X. This is the Bitcoin cycle repeat chart. As I still believe that Bitcoin moves in cycles, if we would repeat the last cycle, this is what we would get. During bear market phases, whenever VDD spiked, it often created a good buying opportunity and marked cycle bottoms. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye!